Thank you so much, Khadijah and Maceo, and for the Potters and to the Potters House for having us here. Again, my name is Colie, and this is DL. He performs regularly with me, with my band, Soul for a New Day. And we are on U Street and some other spots, but we're here tonight. We want to start off with one of my favorite tunes, Nature Boy. And I just want to talk a little bit about freedom, though. I work with 4-year-olds.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I work with 4-year-olds during the day, so I'm truly celebrating my freedom right now. truly celebrating my freedom once I walked out the door. Nature Boy, love them. I love the babies, but when you leave them, you are free. You feel free. Nature Boy is one of my favorite tunes. We like to take a lot of jazz tunes and do them our way, so this is Nature Boy. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he passed my way, and as we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is to love and be loved in return. All right, Dio, play something for us.
Thank you.